In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the watermark from your videos on Veed.io. If you've been using Veed.io for your video editing needs, you might have noticed that the free version comes with a watermark on the final output. But don't worry, I'll guide you through the process of removing it by upgrading your plan, which is a surefire way to elevate your videos to a more professional level. Let's start by navigating to the main page of Veed.io. Once you're there, you'll see a variety of options and tools at your disposal. The interface is designed to be user-friendly, so finding your way around should be straightforward. Now, what you want to do next is look towards the top right corner of the page. Here, you should see a button labeled Upgrade. Clicking this button is your first step towards removing that pesky watermark. After clicking Upgrade, you'll be taken to a page displaying the different payment plans available on Veed.io. It's worth taking a moment here to examine the options presented. Typically, Veed.io offers several tiers of subscriptions, each with its own set of features and benefits. The important thing to note is that the removal of the watermark is a feature not available in the free version. Therefore, to get rid of the watermark, you will need to subscribe to one of the paid plans. As you review the plans, consider what features are most important to you beyond just removing the watermark. Some plans might offer additional perks like higher video resolution, increased storage, or advanced editing tools. Choose the plan that best matches your needs and budget. Remember, investing in a subscription not only removes the watermark, but can also significantly enhance your editing capabilities on Veed.io. Once you've decided on a plan, proceed with the payment process. Make sure to enter your payment details accurately and review everything before finalizing the purchase. After your payment is confirmed, your account will be upgraded and the watermark will no longer appear on your edited videos. And there you have it. With your new subscription, you can now produce clean, professional-looking videos without the distraction of a watermark. This small investment can make a big difference in the quality of your content. So go ahead, explore the new features at your disposal, and enjoy a more seamless video editing experience on Veed.io. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!